Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use CapCut to clone yourself. To create a clone effect in a video using CapCut on your Android device, you need to record several videos of yourself from a fixed camera angle, ensuring that you remain in a different positions in each shot. This will allow for seamless editing using the overlay feature. So here's a step-by-step guide. Record two or more videos where you are in different positions. For example, one on the left side and one on the right side. Make sure you have a plain background, also the background stays the same and stays on the same angle to ensure consistency when editing. Launch the CapCut app on your Android device. Tap New Project and choose the first video you recorded. Tap Add to load it into the timeline. Scroll to the bottom toolbar and choose Overlay. Tap Add Overlay and choose the second video to add it over the first one. Now let us adjust and align the overlay. Once the overlay is added, use your fingers to resize and move it so that the two videos align properly. You want the videos to be positioned side by side without overlapping your images. With the overlay selected, go to the bottom toolbar and find the Remove BG option. Choose Custom Removal, then go to Auto Remove, and here it will automatically remove the background for you, and optional if you want to add a special touch like stroke to the overlay layer. Tap on stroke, and here there's a lot of options and you can adjust the size, change the opacity by using the slider, and choose your preferred color. So I choose cancel for now. Play the video to ensure that both versions of you appeared side by side without any unnatural jumps or errors. Once you're satisfied with the clone effect, tap the export button in the top right corner to save the edited video. Now you have a video where you appear to clone yourself using CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.